And for day 17 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2024, we have a Luke Skywalker minifigure. But this one is the updated version, first seen in 2015 in the set 75093 Death Star Final Duel. I'll put the old and the new versions on the screen so you can see the main difference. Can you see it? Yes, that's right. The new updated version shows Luke with his prosthetic hand. During the epic duel on the walkway in Cloud City was a metropolis floating above the planet Bespin or Bespin to harvest the Tibanna gas that was in Bespin's upper atmosphere. Anyway, the duel progressed through the city's processing vein and onto the maintenance catwalk, where Vader disarmed Luke by slicing off his weapon hand. And then Vader says, "If you only knew the power of the dark side. Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father." And Luke says, "He told me enough. It was you who killed him." And the famous line that comes out is, "No, I am your father." It's a total myth that Vader says, "Luke, I am your father." Rather than be caught by Vader and forced to join the dark side, Luke drops down the shaft of the gas collector and is rescued at the bottom by the Millennium Falcon. He's transported away into a Nebulon B medical frigate where 2-1B, a medical droid, fits the prosthetic hand for him. Empire Strikes Back film trivia. Did you know that the actual line spoken by Vader on the maintenance catwalk was, "No, Obi-Wan killed your father"? Nobody knew the true words apart from Mark Hamill, Luke Skywalker, until the premiere screening. Not a single member of the cast knew the actual line, and so at the premiere the whole audience was shocked, including the stars. There you are. It was David Prowse, who played Darth Vader, that said the line, "No, Obi-Wan killed your father," and this was dubbed over by James Earl Jones. Just as well, really, because David Prowse was from Bristol, and his accent was nowhere near menacing enough for George Lucas. It probably came out something like, "No, young'un, it were Obi-Wan who killed your father. Join me on the dark side." Thank you very much, James Earl Jones. You did us all a big favour.